got a view. Snazzy. Ooh. Why'd Ronan stay out? This is like actually cool. Here we go. Dude, this is cool.
What is this?
This is made by Universal as Serge buttons. It's so fun. Are you coming, Ronan? Here, come on in.
Do not catch me in that camera. I don't think I've seen those fixtures before. This thing stops hard.
Those are the fixtures that were in that building where like that one elevator was broken. There was the door that led right into the hoistway.
Oh.
Just reverse colored, you know. They had the white center and the black ring.
They're cool.
Yeah, they're fun.
Six traction.
Uh-huh.
Oh, overshot.
Oof. It's gonna re-level. Oof.
Probably not.
Watch this. Nice.
Oh, really now?
What the fuck?
I think B works, but it doesn't light up.
That scared the shit out of me.
It's gonna open up on this.
Oh, or not. Alright. Alright, let's go up to 5. Guys, use 2500.
Wow.
That's awesome.